What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got our new 2021 Road Glide Special theft recovery bike from Copart started, man. So that thing is firing up. We actually got a first ride on that, man. So if you guys didn't get a chance to check that video out, man, make sure you check that video out after this one, man. Meanwhile, I don't believe this is going to be the topic of discussion today. Maybe later on in the day, but not right now. My main focus is going to be this Big Daddy right here, man. This Big Daddy right here, strawberry lemon drop. At a high speeds, it seems like the front wheel isn't that balanced, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna snatch off this front wheel, go get this thing balanced, because I actually might take this to Arizona as well. So gotta have this thing 100% if we do decide to hop on this thing and take it out there as well, man. So we'll see what's up. Meanwhile, our CVO is gonna be headed out after we get back from Arizona as well. So can't wait, that's gonna be fun. So shout out to the winner. It's coming your way, man. Stay tuned, it's about to be a movie. In the meantime, man, let's pull this strawberry lemon drop Road Glide out and put it on the stand and get this front wheel off so we can get this thing balanced once and for all and see if that's gonna help our problem. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our strawberry lemon drop Road Glide, man, then now's the time, man. We only got a few days before we head to Arizona, man, and when we get back, we will be going live, giving away this Road Glide, man. So I can't wait. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get in while you can. And like I said, anything you purchase on the website will gain you entry into the giveaway. 1 entry per purchase. So this giveaway won't be nearly as many entries as the previous one. So if you guys didn't think you had a chance before, man, now is the time to get in. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? And just like that, guys, we got our front wheel off. No big deal up here. Now, when I look at the front wheel, I don't even see any like balancing like little weights or anything on here. So that might be the thing, man. We're gonna load this up in the truck and get it down there to the motorcycle shop. And now that we got our wheel back on, we can actually go test this thing out, see if we still got some wobble. If not, we gotta figure it out. If so, we gotta figure it out and go from there, but I think we might be good right now. I don't know, let's hope for the best. Alrighty, guys, we got that front wheel back on there. Let's see what we got up in here, man. Now, granted, it's gonna be a little traffic right here, but we should be able to get to our spot pretty quick, fast, and in a hurry at least. Feels real good, that's for sure. Yes, sir. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys know what time it is. Head on over to everythingregular.com. Go get in for a chance to win. we can see that FedEx truck pulling out. Beast. Now just imagine if you had like a cam on this thing. I seen it share, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this right here. Get on up out of here, buddy. Definitely a nice bike, man. And I would have been talking a whole lot more of this one. I honestly just wanted to hear the motor. Just wanted to hear the motor roar, man. Just like that, guys, we done made it back to the garage. We got the strawberry lemon drop all figured out. Riding good, looking good, feeling even better. Of course, we got that color match Big Daddy with the Big Daddies in the speaker covers and on the storage door boxes, of course. But I'm excited about this one, man. It is looking good. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy you anything on the website, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, since we haven't started this sucker up, and about 24 of them, let's see if it still fires up. Still fires up. She ready to roll. Ready to roll, y'all. Ready to roll. We probably gonna come back tomorrow, take off these damaged parts, and see if we can get them color matched and get them back on here. Hopefully we'll get everything situated and it'll be good to go, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today, man. We finally took off the front wheel and got it balanced, so that thing is riding a lot smoother than it did. So I can't wait for you guys to enjoy it and feel the same way I felt today, just mobbing and sliding on that thing. I was literally just listening to the motor today. It was sounding freaking awesome. But y'all know what time it is, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. This giveaway is gonna have the lowest amount of entrants any of our giveaways ever had. So now's your chance to win. So now's your chance to shine. If you guys haven't got in already, man, you guys know what time it is. Meanwhile, our 2021, tomorrow we're probably gonna come back and start disassembling that so we can take those parts to see if we can get them tidied up and whatnot, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.